169 required, and Ronak Singh to start off the proceedings for Artisan cricketers. Short one to start off with, leaves that alone. Nihal, dot ball to begin with. 169 now with one delivery shot for SGCC. Brought to you by Sai Brains, Texas Fashion and Grace Cars Season 3. Lets that one as well alone. He's trying to make sure the start is a solid one. Short ball pulled away. This is what Nihal was waiting for, I guess. Nobody behind here at deep mid wicket. First boundary, first runs on the board for SGCC 11. Look at that. Shot of the length. Wide outside off stump. Dragged it down to mid wicket region for the first runs on the board. In the air, and this time over long off for another 6. Nihal striking it back to back. Correcting his length a bit, that's all. But making sure Nihal was completely waiting for that after that short ball which went for a boundary. This was a full lane delivery, long on, had to be expected at this time. Nihal once again, short ball, pulls it at deep square leg for another boundary. 3 balls and it's yielded 14 runs. Once again, length is the issue for Ronak Singh. Nihal Ulal just needs a change of bats, I guess, after this over. Dot ball on the last one. 14 runs after the first over. What a start for SGCC 11 now. .14 on the board. Ganesh now comes into the attack. Dr. Satish off the mark on the first ball. Oh, throw was there. That'll give extra 4 runs for the overthrow. No backing up by Artisan cricketers there. Overthrows fetching that extra 4 runs. Nihal now. Ball! Gone! Can you believe this? Middle stump knocked out of the ground. Wow! First over, this batter scored 14 runs, and look at Ganesh what he has done. He's kept it so straight and so quick. And Nihal Ulal now has to come back to the dugout in the commentary box, and look at that. It is so good, chopped on to the ball, and he did not expect that. He just did not expect that, did Nihal. Chopped up on. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಈಕ್ವಲೈಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಮೊದಲ ಓವರಲ್ಲಿ 14 ರನ್ನು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಓವರ್ ಥ್ರೋ. ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಸನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಚಾಪ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ನಿಹಾಲ್ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಅವರ ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್, ಚಾಪ್ ಡೌನ್. Srijit now comes in to join Dr. Satish as Shivu அந்த பெரிய கப்பை அவனை விட உயரமாக இருக்கிற கப்பை வந்து தூக்கிட்டு போயிருக்காரு. பார்த்து சிவு, வீட்டுக்கு தூக்கிட்டு போயாதீங்க, எங்கள் உயிரே அதில் இருக்கு, அப்புறம் உங்கள் உயிரை பார்த்துக்கங்க. Srijit now, and Ganesh will go round the wicket, changing the angle for the left-hander. We'll leave that to re-bowl once again. Will Ganesh. Once again, we'll have to re-bowl that once again is Ganesh. Punch off the back foot. Deep point will cut it off. It's all happening in this first couple of overs of the power play. Chasing 169, SGCC got off to a brilliant flyer from Nihal, 14 runs, and then another overthrow, a run-out opportunity to get the captain of SGCC back to the dugout, going in for the overthrows as well, and then inside edge for a wicket. Now, Dr. Satish on strike. Once again, he's chopped on. Can you believe this? 2 wickets in a similar fashion. Once again, both the openers gone for the chopping on that they have done. SGCC lose their captain. 2-2-2 for 2 now. Look at that. Lack of pace, I guess. And as well the bounce. Ganesh gets it right the second time as well. Both openers gone in a similar fashion. Abhijit now comes to join in Srijit. Jeet and Jeet both in the middle. SGCC will be wanting that Jeet because Artisan cricketers have started off well out of the first over. Ganesh now to juice Abhijit. Good stop. Good stop behind the stumps. Stopped a certain boundary. Definitely. But we'll have to re-bowl that. Third extra of the over, but good work behind the stumps by the keeper. Deepak there giving it all. Once again, but this time it brings Deepak for the runs from the bat is what the signals coming in. Look at that, it's so evident to watch. And it's scrubbed the bat on the way. There was a chance for the catch though if Deepak would have collected this one. It's runs off the bat has been given. Guided, and third man will come across. Eventful, exciting over will come to an end. 28 now on the board for 2 wickets for SGCC. Long over by Ganesh, but 2 wickets very importantly. Both openers back to the dugout. Ronak, after giving away 14 in that first over, his partner Ganesh pulling it back for Artisan cricketers. Now it's all up to Abhijit and Srijit. Drives confidently to deep covers for a single. 140 runs more required of 107 balls as that photo of Sancho once again appears on the corner of the screen behind the SGCC logo. He smiled very nicely. Wonder who did that photo shoot as well. Cybrains, Texas Fashion and Grace Cars, the sponsors of the season 3. Oh, look at that. Confident. But will go through to the covers. Nobody behind here on a boundary. A certain boundary need to be stopped at covers. Good timing on that shot. Driven towards extra cover by Srijit. Got his value though. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂತ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಚೂರು ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ರೋನಕ್ ಸಿಂಗ್. ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶ್ರೀಜಿತ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಂತೂ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ 8 runs per over ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. Good length, and more than that, no room for the batsman. So the line also impeccable. After that first over, it's a different Ronak Singh in this one. Driven, but protection back at point. Dot ball to end the second. Really good one by Ronak Singh. Just 6 runs of his second. 34 now for the loss of 2 wickets. And SGCC still require 135 runs in 102 deliveries. Round the wicket now. Ganesh drives straight to the captain. At mid-on, the single will be stolen. Since Nihal has dipped on that boundary lines, look at what Abhijit is doing, standing away outside the crease. Just to negate that non-pacey delivery that Ganesh always bowls, to meet the ball much closer. .134 still required. Trying to go towards our off with the shimmery down the track, but does not allow Ganesh as well. Both bowlers for Artisan Cricketers pulling this back, and SGCC needs to find a strategy now. Look at that ball once again keeping low. Ganesh has got this tactic going for himself. He dismissed both the openers in that similar fashion. The ball did not raise up as expected by the batsman there. And once again, invariable bonds. Stuck on the pads. Keeping up that pressure going. There's one more delivery up front, but that's 35 for the loss of 2 wickets. Just a single, just one run coming from that Ganesh's second over, and it's 134 more required in 96 deliveries. $35 for the loss of 2 wickets. 134 more required in 96 balls. Oh, stuck on the pads, Dilip. This time says no, it was going down the leg. It was really interesting. A good ball. That was a very good ball by Ronak Singh against Srijit. The ball actually pitching outside the leg and hitting Srijit in and across. Umpire can see all the 3 stumps is what is being seen here. Right, tight one. Benefit of the doubt, of course, goes to the batsman. Srijit also survives that one. 35 for the loss of 2 wickets. But it's Ronak and Ganesh now doing the talking with the ball for Artisan cricketers. Guides it down to third man for a single. Abhijit now. Look at that energy for Artisan cricketers in the field, that they are attacking the ball, they are making sure it's tough times for Abhijit and Srijit in the middle. But SGCC will find some way out, because after this, it's going to be the last over of the power play after this over. Once again, same line, same length. The ball goes similarly to backward point. Totally turned this game upside down after that first over. As Artisan cricketers. Guides it to third man. Will put Srijit back for the last delivery. Deep point and third man back. Everybody else inside the circle. Driven to deep extra cover. Another boundary. Handsome looking shot by Srijit. Just a little bit of width on offer. And it beats the captain in the covers once again to go for that boundary. Much required for SGCC. Look at that. Just a little bit of width. And that was enough for Srijit to utilize it for the fullest. As Vinay Kotian goes in with a couple of sips and also an information, I guess.
DJ Ashish Mix.
Rail Firoz comes into the attack now. The last over of power play. Zach bringing his another bowler to trust him. Left arm spinner. Interesting. As Abhijit now is on strike. Will be very, very challenging to watch this youngster up against the experience of another left-handed batsman, Srijit, there, who's just looked so good, hasn't been faced with the situation. 19-run partnership out of 20, not a problem as of now, but requiring 128 with 8.5 runs per over. SGCC will be trying to get a move on. It's having a look at the field. Deep covers and deep mid wicket are the two men back. And this is the last over of the power play. Mid off and mid on comes up. Rahul is getting some bounce out of this wicket. Using his feet down the track and goes over mid off. Will that ball go to reach the boundaries? Yes, it does. Taking the charge in this power play. Much required boundary for SGCC 11. Look at that. He was ready to dance down the track. Went the aerial route, bisecting that mid off and cover fielder. Second ball. Going in for that boundary. Rahul on the third. Stops himself out of his own bowling. Now it will get more interesting as a left-hander now comes in with 3 deliveries to go in the power play for left-hander Abhijit. Deep mid-wicket back and long off. And also deep point now, deep mid wicket and deep point. Rahul wants that deep mid wicket more squarer. Right. Oh, wrong line and wrong length. Definitely be punished. Abhijit will not leave that shot wide outside the leg stump. And Srijit makes full use of that. Look at that. Rahul would have wanted to let that ball go a little more towards the off, but gripping it too hard and dragging it down. Both Jeets on 12 now. And that single will be easy to be taken. In fact, after that boundary, Srijit moves on to 17 after that single as well. 50 on the board for SGCC. 51 for 2. Both trying to build up this partnership together. 29 runs Last ball of the power play will just get 1 run for SGCC. Good over, couple of boundaries coming in. 52 for the loss of 2 wickets. They will still need 117 from 84 balls. Another left arm spinner coming in. Shahid now. 30 runs partnership out of 26 deliveries. Power play now through. So Zach can spread across his field for Artisan cricketers. Look at that. Is bringing the right man in the right places. Short third, backward point behind. And he's bowling to the field. He is bowling to the field as this young lad, Shahid Sharif. Just a little bit of room on offer. Abhijit will put it to deep covers for a single. Now it's Srijit requiring 9 runs per over, almost 8.5 runs per over now. 116 precisely to get out of 82 deliveries. Deep mid wicket, deep backward square leg. Long on are the men behind on the onside. Short third man, backward point, and deep point on the off with covers and long off on the offside. Interesting for an around the wicket angle. Oh, something different. Long off. Will just try that. And a very good attempt. Very good attempt at long off. Asif, the man. Look at that. Back of the hand. It was wide outside the off stump. Srijit went straight and took up on the fielder at long off. And Asif made it really look that he was able to go ahead. He's checking on him. He was all fine. Really well done, Asif. Brilliant effort on the field. Gives us that momentum to keep the cricket alive and kicking.
Ashies mix.
Right. Now, Shahid will be having a different strategy in mind as well. Srijit just trying to. Once again, look at that. This time, no problem whatsoever. Shot. And Srijit gives it all on top of long on for a 6. Couple of sixes. Left-hander versus left-hander. This is what I was talking about, the interesting factor. And it's coming into play. And this time, the ball coming inside the left-hander Srijit. It became more easy for him as well to put it over long on for another 6. This is the over, I guess. SGCC were targeting. 65 on the board for the loss of 2 wickets. Struck hard, long off will cut it off. Asif, but will steal the second run. Will steal the second run. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಂಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಡೆ ಬಾಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Much required appreciation coming in for Shahid, the youngster. He's just an young lad. Short ball once again, stuck very hard, and Asif picks it up. Wow, beautiful work done by him once again. Stopped a certain boundary, did Asif. Look at that, keeps it down to just 2 runs at long off. Came in so strongly. It was really stuck hard. Very well done. It's pressure situation for Shahid, who's done well. .68 on the board, 68 runs for the loss of 2 wickets, and exactly 101 runs needed now out of 78 deliveries. Seven overs done. 3 more overs for the Rahil now to continue his over. 2 young left armers making it for Artisan cricketers, and it's Srijit once again. Deep backward square leg, deep mid wicket, long on behind the fence. Bowling to his field. Shahid, the youngster who went in for that few runs, I've been just told that he's eligible for vaccination on 18. Talking about vaccination, it is so important. Another variant also doing the rounds. But experts feel that it is the fag end of the detrimental Chinese virus. I will stress on the word Chinese. Abu Zak, don't worry. That's what it is. Changing the field once again for the right-hander. Deep mid-wicket, deep backward square leg, long on the off, on the onside in fact. Oh, quicker one, but we'll have to re-bowl that. Good thinking, direction, just needed that direction, little more onto the stumps. Rocks back onto that back foot, but straight to covers. 99 now required of 74 deliveries. Nobody there. Rahil himself notices it and goes so quickly. That's really good. That's really good by the youngster. ತುಂಬ ಬೇಗ ಗುರ್ತಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ರಾಹಿಲ್ ಅದನ್ನ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬೌಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಾವೇ ಖುದ್ದಾಗಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಸನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಈ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. Pressing in for the second run and will get that comfortably. And Rahil will finish up his over. 73 on the board and 96 more required out of 72 deliveries. 96 runs out of 72 deliveries and 8 overs been done. Vinay is ran in so quickly now, and this is going to be a bowling change as well by Zach. Mudassir coming now into the attack because the opening bowlers for Artisan Cricketers had done well. Two young left arm spinners did their bit, but what Ronak and Ganesh did actually derailed HGCC, but Abhijit and Srijit have put them back on track. And talking about the Chinese virus, stretching on that word Chinese again, Abu Chacha tells me only phones are good from China. That's all. Agreed. Completely agreed. Completely agreed. Oh, good one. Good one. First up by Mudassir. And we Indians are very clever. We'll take what is good from the world. That's all. We don't want the bad ones. Straight to Zach. Three dot balls, and it is the experienced Mudassir who's trying to pull this back for Artisan Cricketers. Driven straight to long on for a single. Asif there has really made sure that area belongs to him. Cricket as death. Look at that. Soft touch, really soft. Just cannot set any field for that. Attacking pads. Was Mudassir. Srijit moves on to 39 now. That's like it. That's more like it. Just on the good length, keeping Srijit where he is, did not allow him to go back or front. After the 9th over, 78 now for the loss of 2 wickets and 91 runs leaded out of 66 deliveries. Pulled it strong at the mid wicket and will not be able to stop that boundary. And it's Abhijit who's given it completely. And at the mid wicket, look at that. Akash put in a good effort but could not go down in time to stop that one.
फोर कहाँ फ्लैश करना बोलो रिप्ले डालने के पहले फोर फ्लैश करना वो कार्टून निकाल दो पहले कार्टून आता है देख वो ओल्ड फैशन मैच नहीं उनका टीम में ओल्ड फैशन नहीं बहुत बच्चे जैसा मतलब क्या बोलते हैं डिस्कवरी किड्स जैसा लग रही वो
Single. $83 for the loss of 2 wickets. SGCC 11 relying on this partnership. Guided down to short third man, but still will steal the single. 61 runs partnership of 47 deliveries. This was so required for SGCC 11. Make that so important after losing both the openers in similar fashion, and Ganesh is over. And Zach, I'm sure, will be thinking to bring back one of the main bowler, trying to just break this partnership up. Dot ball. Yes, no, and finally sense prevails. Oh, look at that. Where was that hiding? Where was that hiding until now? Brilliant and brutal together. Short and wide outside the off stump. Gave it a full blow, did Abhijit. Look at that. Powerful strike. End of the over. Change of ends as well. 88 now for the loss of 2 wickets. 81 required out of 60 deliveries now. Sandy, look at Sandy's brilliance. He just feeds the umpire. Wow. And he makes sure that the over rate are all fine. Such an intelligent fellow is Santosh. He made look at everybody. Look at everybody. They're all with the players, and he's the one who's keeping the umpires happy. He knows it. He knows it well. The decision relies there. We'll just get on with the game now for the 11th over. The end change has happened. Santosh, enough. There are only 2 umpires. Dude. Right. Now it's going to be that phase of the game where the pendulum can swing both ways, because it's a change of ends. And I guess it's Rahil who will be into the attack, is it? No. It's Mudasir. 88 for the loss of 2 wickets, and we still require 81 of 60 deliveries is SGCC 11. Mudassir now. And Srijit drags him down. Oh! That was under the sun. Under the sun, not required. At deep mid wicket for a boundary. Another dot ball, another dot ball. In the air, long off coming under it. Will he take it? And he takes it. Look at that. Partnership broken, and it is the experienced Mudassir. Rahil is the man catching that up, and it's all dangerous. Srijit now goes back. "70 runs partnership broken by the experienced campaigner Mudassir." We're just looking at that replay on Y Sports. Ball flighted up really nicely by Mudassir. Srijit going in for the big booming drive on the off. Rahil ran in so much. He probably came into mid-off from long off and completed that catch. Really well done. But really well played though for his 44. For Srijit has to go back. Now Mahesh comes in for SGCC 11. Really well played for that partnership. It's now on Abhijit and Mahesh now. "92 for the loss of 3 wickets, 77 more required of 57 deliveries, and the catching in the couple of matches has been good. Vishwa and Boogeyman for KRP Lions. Rahil for Artisan Crickets, and of course, how can we forget Abu Chacha for C4. I'm just wondering, how did he come up with that name C4? My God. Short ball. Could not get that through. It's Mudassir now who's bringing it back for Artisan Cricketers. And Abu Chacha says no replacement for experience. Yeah, I agree that. And that's why I haven't dyed my beard yet to black. End of the over. 76 now. Required of 54 deliveries. Look at Mudassir's bowling figures. 2 overs just gave away 10 runs during the time where the partnership was booming. Broke that all-important partnership. But now it is Abhijit. So SGCC will be completely. He gets them through the line along with the others. Sun slowly setting down and will have to just quicken up a bit on the over rate. Cut away at deep point and really well fielded at deep covers just to keep it down to 1. Mahesh Reddy. There's a change of ball that is required. Shahid operating. He'll have to just keep it a little more tighter for Mudassir and others. But SGCC, I'm sure, will be targeting that little unexperienced link, I should say. Guides it down to short third. Came in so quickly. Mahesh Reddy to the danger end. Stumping coming in, and the replay will be very, very crucial to see this. Backward point and point, both Mudassirs going in unison for the appeal. Very, very good glove work. Very, very good glove work by Deepak. But we'll have to see how did Mahesh go outside the crease or did he come back? That is very, very crucial. Let's try to slow that up more. We'll have to just keep that rolling, slow that up more. The decision pending, and the decision came in and it's out. Right. Very, very crucial for Shahid to pick that up. Mahesh going back, did not get his foot back in time. The ball turning after pitching, and make sure he collects the ball. Just give that little more time for Mahesh, but could not keep that leg down. Sean now, who did so well in the field for SGCC, comes into bat. .73 now required with Mahesh going back. Very, very crucial wicket picked up by Shahid. Right time for Artisan cricketers will feel that. Cut away, another single stolen. And at point, Sean will get off the mark. It brings Abhijit back on strike. Look at that. Little bit of fumble. Gave Abhijit that extra time to go back to the danger end. Will keep the strike. Abhijit for the next over. 98 for the loss of 4 wickets. Successful over for Shahid comes to an end. Sent back Mahesh to the dugout. Mudasir comes back for his third over. Punched off the back foot. Through covers for a single once again. Oh, look at that paddle coming in. But Syed Mudasir trying to cut it out. Will he do that? Yes, he will. Succeeds it. At short third, that was really important because the paddle was nice by Sean. The idea was nice. The execution even better. Quicker delivery by Mudasir. Punched to extra cover for a single though. Pulled to deep mid wicket for a single. Making it in singles now. We'll have to see how long will Abhijit hold up patiently. Sean has looked good. Sean has looked good the moment he's come in. He's trying to keep up the scorer busy. He has a fantastic strike rate in his career of 131. In all the T20 matches that Sean has played, he's batting with 45 matches. He's got a good strike rate end of the over as well. 104 for the loss of 4 wickets, requiring 9.5 runs per over at 65 runs required from 42 deliveries. Shahid once again comes into the attack and straight to Nihal. Deep extra cover. He's been good. The moment he came into the field, he was beaten by the sunlight for once, but after that, he's come back really good in the field. Is Nihal. Dot ball, pressure situation. Now it depends on Sean to pick up and take the attack on this confident left-hander now, who's keeping it really tight and making it up for Artisan cricketers. Match on, totally on. 64 required of 40 deliveries. The last league game for SGCC. Paddle executed again very, very well. Nobody back at long on, and it is Mudassir who cannot stop that. It runs away for the boundary. Really good effort though from short third man to run all the way across to deep fine leg, but could not stop the boundary there. The second time that Sean has tried it, and second time he's got runs, and this time it's a boundary. Good strike rate is what his record says, and he's living up to his expectations as Sean, with 59 more required of 38 deliveries. Oh, try to tap that down. End of the over. Make that 59 out of 36. Required 100. The total on the board is 110 for the loss of 4 wickets. They still required 64 runs. In fact, just checking on the scorings just to give us a moment.
कितना रिक्वायर बोला? अभी उधर डालो, उधर डालते रहो, पार्टनरशिप निकाल लो.
59 required of 36 deliveries. Look at that for a shot, and that is coming out of the meat of the bat for Sean, and he's taking up the confident Mudassir and is hitting him against the turn as well, going on the off for the off spinner. Look at that, just a little bit of width on offer, and deep extra cover can be a spectator. Oh, that was good. That was good from Nihal once again. Uneven bounce, but controlled it well. Driven straight down the ground. Long off, will cut it off. But Mudassir into his last over of his spell has done really well for Artisan Cricketers. Give away 25 and has picked up a wicket. Look at the running with wicket. Shahid this time was put under pressure by Abhijit and Sean. The calling was really good by Abhijit and Sean responded. Good running between the wickets, putting the youngster under pressure. This is what cricket will teach every single day. Slogged to deep mid wicket, and that's the end of Mudassir's spell. Really good one, and 121 for the loss of 4 wickets. We need 48 runs out of 30 deliveries now. 48 out of 30 deliveries.
Artisan captain, please speed it up. It will become bad light.
Sean, who's looking so good. Shahid gets him, and look at that once again on the field. Nihal, the man who was deceived by the sun for the first ball, that he went into the field and completes that all-important catch. That brings in Dilip now. One hard-hitting batsman that SGCC will believe in will be Dilip. After his bowling heroics has come into the very, very crucial time as Shahid picks up his second wicket. Abhijit now on strike. Cut away, backward point, and point gets bisected for a lovely boundary. Much required after that fall of the wicket. Look at that, just a little bit short, rocked onto the back foot. quickly. And we will need 40 of 25 deliveries. 40 of 25 deliveries more required. Abhijit on 49. Will he get that? Yes, he will. 50 for Abhijit. Should be a match-winning one for SGCC if they go through over the line. End of the over. 39 more required of 24 deliveries. So close to 10 runs per over. Abhijit on 50 of 49 deliveries. Run a ball innings for him. Has held this inning together, but now is the time. Gets to change gears for SGCC. As Dilip is coming. Right. So it's all down to 24 deliveries for SGCC 11 on their last league game of the season 3. Short ball pulled. Not timed properly though. We'll just get that single. Brings in Dilip on strike for the first time in this run chase. 169 that was required by SGCC, out of which 131 has been scored. 38 more required of 23 deliveries. Now it's all up to Dilip to make it happen along with Abhijit. Gets it in the arc and it is one bounce boundary straight down the ground. That is what Dilip is all about. 135 there on the board, and it's one bounce boundary straight back to the bowler's head. Right, appeal coming in, but it's struck on the pads for a single, stealing that leg by 51 to Abhijit. Scoring on the Crick Heroes for an updation for Abhijit score will happen. We'll just go by the screen for now. In the air, at point, and much required boundary coming in towards the trophy table for Abhijit, which moves on to 55. Ganesh giving it that extra bit of width, and that is what Abhijit was waiting for. This is all happening here at the Pendleton ground. SGCC Season 3 brought to you by Cybrains, Texas Fashion and Grace Cars. Ganesh was so instrumental in sending both the openers back. ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆನ್ ಆಫರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಹಾಲ್ ಕೂಡ ತಡೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು, ಈಗ ಡೀಪ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. Back to back boundaries, reducing the pressure, and the needed is more important. "25 runs needed now out of 19 deliveries. This is so important for Ganesh to bring it back for Artisan Cricket. Look at that, Abhijit, and Nihal just puts it over his head for the 6. Is that the match now for Artisan Cricketers? Opportunity was there. Ganesh had created that opportunity, giving away that extra width, but a deep extra cover. Look at Nihal, who is so good in the field. The game can be so cruel and such a big equalizer, isn't it? is having a look at that once again. Width was there. Abhijit went in full swing with the blade. Should have caught at this level is Nihal. Now it's down to run a ball equation. 19 required of 18. $150 up on the board for SGCC. $19 required of 18 deliveries. Dilip on strike, and it's going to be Rahul, the youngster, to make it happen for Artisan Cricketers. Dilip slogs one to long on for a single, gives it back to Abhijit. Right time to shift the gear for the batsman who's set in the middle for SGCC 11. The youngster though, but the ball is chasing him. Goes the helicopter way. Shahid cuts it off at long off. Just 5 now required. Look at that. A half helicopter. Dot ball. Need is down to 10 runs now. 10 of 13. Hits it hard down to long off for a single. 9 required. 9 required now of 12 deliveries. Right, penultimate over coming up. Very, very important over for Artisan Cricketers. If something goes their way, it has to be Abhijit's wicket. If not, it's all SGCC 11. This over will decide the game. Don't have to wait for another 6 balls, I feel, because just 9 on the board.
Who's this? Ronak.
And Ronak now will make sure something happens here for Artisan Cricketers. It's very simple. It's Abhijit standing in between victory and Artisan Cricketers. The field very much required as deep backward comes up. Good length to start off. Right up there. We'll put it up to Dilip now. We've had a very good day. The first match today, KR Lions winning against Karjeans. Signal wearing in for the signal to come in. It's off the pads though, but going down the leg by stolen. And today's second game was again KR Lions toppling over the C4 gate crashers, and now this is the third match of the day. Lovely game of cricket. 7 runs to decide this. Deep mid wicket. Shahid will cut it off. Small bit of a fumble. Will Dilip go back? No, he won't. Just a hit away. Now SGCC 11. One better of him. And 6 runs required now of 9 deliveries. 8 deliveries, that's come down to now 6 of 8. Hey, in fact, yeah, it's 6 of 8 deliveries.
6 of 8. Careful.
Vinay Kotian comes out to the middle. Vinay Kotian gets a beauty. Is that all right? Once again he has to re-bowl that. Good length though, very good length. But line had to be on the stumps. This is all boiled down to this one. Vinay Kotian will have to get bat on ball. He does. And puts. Will be going for the second one though. Putting up pressure on the fielder once again. I should be saying this. It's Nihal. He's got such a tough day in the field. The ball has chased him everywhere he's been there. 3 required now of 7. Flicks it to deep mid wicket. Shahid will come across. Fumble will give the second run as well. Scores are level now with 6 balls to go. Scores are level. And SGCC will be targeting their third straight win, but still 6 balls. Artisan cricketers can do something here. Once again, if Abhijit's wicket is somewhere available, anything can happen in cricket. Abu Chacha, don't go back on that. Anything can happen in cricket. Make sure. Right, just 1 run now. Field coming in as Asif now will come into the attack.
तुम्हारा मुंह की क्या जी तुम्हें जी यप्पा ओयो
Look at that. It's Nihal once again, but it's a third straight win for SGCC 11. They won all their league games. Very, very well played, I should say, for Artisan cricketers to make it so close this match. They fought hard. They really fought hard. But SGCC as brilliant as they could, because Abhijit has made